Lecture number 17, the reactions of amines. Very simple reactions. Left hand side, Hoffman's exhaustive alkylation. The very first, why is it called as exhaustive? Because it is reacted with excess of the alkyl halide. So it is called as exhaustive. Now, you may start with any amine. You may start with a mixed or you may start with a simple amine. There is no restriction on that. If it is a primary amine, then it is reacted with the alkyl halide and then it is converted to a secondary amine. Primary will be converted to secondary. Because it is excess, it is exhaustive. तो excess है alkyl halide का, इसीलिए the alkyl halide will be reacting with the secondary amine converted to tertiary. Tertiary again converted to a quaternary ammonium salt. मतलब if I start with a primary amine, तो प्राइमरी से क्वाटरनरी कन्वर्ट करने के लिए मुझे कितने अल्काइल हैलाइड्स लगे? आई रिक्वायर 3 मोल्स ऑफ द अल्काइल हैलाइड्स, राइट? 1, 2 and 3. सेम आई एम स्टार्टेड विद द सेकेंडरी अमाइन. अगर मैंने सेकेंडरी अमाइन से स्टार्ट किया तो मुझे 2 मोल्स लगेंगे. अगर टर्शरी से स्टार्ट किया तो आई वुड रिक्वायर ओनली 1 मोल ऑफ द अल्काइल हैलाइड. The only thing you should take care of it is alkylation. If the question exam में आता है methylation, so you have to proceed the same reactions with having a methyl group. That's all. That will be methylation. समझा? Now, the next reaction I've written 2 star over there. A very important reaction. The reaction which is only given by a primary amine. 1 degree amine लिखा है. I've written see there both aliphatic as well as aromatic दोनों amines will give this reaction. The name of the reaction, it is called as carbyl amine reaction. Carbyl amine. The product's name itself is carbyl amine. It has got a bad smell. From the smell itself you can realize, oh, it is a carbyl amine which is formed in the reaction. It is a reaction which is given by chloroform. It is a reaction with alcoholic KOH. The reaction which is given only by primary amine. The primary amines when react with chloroform in the presence of KOH, that is alcoholic in nature, when heated, it is converted to the corresponding alkyl isocyanide. The same is called as a carbyl amine plus 3 KCl and 3 H2O. That is the reaction. Right hand side में I have written both the reactions with ethylamine as well as the aromatic amine, that is aniline. See, if it is reacting with ethylamine, instead of R, that will be replaced by C2H5. That is the only difference. That is what is formed. It is ethyl isocyanide. Right hand side का reaction है वो. Aliphatic के साथ लिखा है reaction. The next reaction I have written with the aromatic primary amine, that is aniline. If it is aniline reacting with the same conditions, what do I get? I get phenyl isocyanide, carbyl amine, a very important reaction. The product formed is isocyanide. Isocyanide आपको सिर्फ 2 ही reaction से मिलते हैं. HDA में था, if you remember the reaction with AgCN, वहाँ पे भी isocyanide मिला था, यहाँ पे भी isocyanide ही मिल रहा है. That is called as a carbyl amine. The reaction which is only given by primary amine, say again repeat it again and again. That is a very important reaction, that is called as a carbyl amine reaction. That is the next reaction. अभी ये lecture में I have explained you 2 reactions. First, Hoffman's exhaustive alkylation. Second, carbyl amine reaction. Now the third reaction I am going to explain in this lesson. That is Hoffman's elimination. Elimination. ये reaction, ये lesson में Hoffman's बहुत बार है, right? Hoffman's ammonolysis, Hoffman's exhaustive alkylation, Hoffman's elimination. So this is the next, that is called as Hoffman's elimination reaction. Elimination. See, what I have started with, I have started with the quaternary salt, ammonium salt, amine. Quaternary ammonium salt, fine. C2H5 N, CH3 thrice I, that is इट इज इथाइल ट्राइमिथाइल अमोनियम आयोडाइड, ये कंपाउंड का नाम है. आई हैव रिएक्टेड इट विथ AgOH. What is it reacted? It is reacted with AgOH. Okay, it is moist silver hydroxide. So what do I get? See, you can see the difference if I is replaced to OH. I is replaced to OH by the removal of AgI. These hydroxides which are there, these quaternary ammonium hydroxides, they are deliquescent in nature. They are crystalline solids. They are acting as a very strong base. They are just like NaOH or KOH, you can say. उसके बाद suppose when I heat them, okay, when heated, what do they undergo? They undergo the elimination reaction that is called as a beta elimination. Beta elimination, so say जो ethyl group है that is converted to ethylene or it is ethene. Very important, the major product form in this reaction is the least substituted alkene. यहाँ पे chances है, like यहाँ पे there is no chance because it is trimethyl. लेकिन अगर लेकिन if you have got a propyl group तो propene नहीं बनेगा, ethylene ही बनेगा because it is least substituted. Exactly opposite to that of Sedgwick rule, you can say. The major product form is the least substituted alkene. With that you get trimethylamine and water. They are formed as the byproducts in the reaction. So that is all about the next reaction, that is Hofmann's elimination. In this lecture I have explained you 3 reactions. The first is Hofmann's exhaustive alkylation. Next is carbylamine. And the next is Hofmann's elimination. So we continue in the next lecture.